Hello. Okay, I'm back. I should have set it to 7.5, right? Yeah. I should have set it to 7:30, so you guys don't have to wait for me like 20 minutes. Uh, anyway. Let's say I'm back. Alright, let's catch up from where we left off, which is which I realized that this one has to reset it again. Is it moving right now? Doesn't seem to move. It doesn't seem to move. Hang on. By the way, where is the... Okay. The camera is out. Okay, I see the bug now. Good. Alright. It's still bugged. Huh. It's still bugged for some reason. It's back. The screen is back. But you might notice that I'm not back, right? I'm not back in the console. That's because I'm not going to be back in the console until this plugin is finished. Because I'm pissed off. Yeah, I'm pissed off. I will put... What is this? Cleansing wipes? Yeah, I'll put my cleansing wipes back in the fridge. And we'll dig into it. eh, but not yeah. Did you heard that? Here is why I am here alone. Not alone though. My roommate has just come. He's back, and the camera is not back. What? Camera, behave, please. Why do I even buy you if you don't behave? What the hell is going on here? What the? It's back now, right? Hopefully. Okay, so we are actually at square zero. So we don't have to catch anything up. Anyway, continue with the last tangent. Hey, if you heard when I talked about my style of working, I work best when I'm overwhelmed, and I turn off anything that matters when I'm overwhelmed, right? Because of that, people think that I don't listen to anyone. Okay, yeah. I don't listen to anyone. Okay, by the way, this export MD is safe. Hang on. What is upgrade queue? Yeah. Is a user. Okay. Talking about that, yeah, speaking of which, you see I have a window transparency program here. This thing is it is just like an auto key. Yeah, it's auto hotkey code script that is made into system service. Oh, I forgot to check. it it allows me to like adjust the Windows transparency for some Windows, but yeah, it's not very useful. It's just some fun stuff that I can do. The code is not mine, so I will find it again and share it with you guys, I guess. Hmm. Yeah, I still don't understand why this doesn't exist. If they only post it on Discord, I will ditch OBS entirely. Because they have their docs and they don't update their docs. That's not a good thing to do when you have a software that has a docs. I think I left OBS Discord. No. Shit. OBS community. Development, plugin and tools. Look, hang on. I will show you this, but I have to go into streamer mode first. Where the fuck is that? Streamer mode, turn it on. Now, yeah. Look. You know what Discord is? Discord is a chat room. And for some reason, they update chat. They update documentation in the chat room only. I just don't. I'm tired of like chasing. You know what it is. Do they actually have an easy to access, not recurring following? I mean, sure they want to like know everyone who get into development. But it links to a broken. What is the reason? Yesterday, not a few days before. What is it? Not instant tools. You know what? Pin message doesn't act as a resource, but they still use that. The fuck is this anyway? I think I will drop OBS. They are yeah, I know I'm socially awkward, but I know I'm socially awkward, anxious, and also no, I'm not socially anxious anymore, by the way, but I'm socially awkward, and I don't want to introduce myself into a server where I'm supposed to be able to take off on my own journey until I stop. But when I stuck at the start, that's when I drop everything. So I may just FFmpeg myself into streaming API, I guess. Look, seeing that they don't update this thing, makes me get tired of future of development. I fucking hate something like this. It hurts so much. I don't have energy to learn anymore. I mean, it's not I don't have energy to learn. I don't even have a way to integrate. No matter how much energy I have, I cannot integrate because where the fuck is download page? Scripting. Look, I want to I don't even know what to say anymore. It's like, well, I don't know if this is because of them or because of Microsoft, because don't forget that OBS is bought by Microsoft, but like MDN, Microsoft Developer Network, right? Oh, this is Mozilla, sorry, Mozilla Developer Network, not MDN, what is it? What Microsoft? MSDN? Yeah, MSDN. Document here is well written and introduction and well introduced. Like it's not like this. It's not like missing library like this. Fucking disgusting stuff. And we have to rely on chat, on forums from many years ago. I don't know what to say. This is why I left software development. This is exactly why. Because nothing exists. Nothing they brag about exists. What the fuck is OBS? I will uninstall it. Maybe not today, but when I got my engine set up, it will be gone for worst. not for good, because I'm pissed off with OBS right now. I think this is not a chance for you to redeem. I'm already going to drop it. You know what? If you read DPL license, they don't allow me to reverse engineer, but they allows me to rebuild everything. And well, let's read the summary. DPL 2.0 summary. Let's just read TLDR, because who the fuck is going to read all of that on stream? I'm not that crazy. No, actually I am that crazy. Look, commercial use, modify, distribute, a derivative works, right? Place warranty, yeah, sure. Cannot sub-license, sure. For libel, yeah, but have to include original, disclose source, whether your source code when you distribute the software. So it just say that GPL2 cannot be changed into something that is open source. To include copyright. Yeah, sure. Set change. Oh, that's significant thing. I mean, I don't know how to work with that. Include license, okay. That's common. Sure, but OBS, TOS. Agree to not use service to submit or link to any content received and alright. You may not, under any circumstances, suggest branding in whole or in part, self-promote operation, representation of, okay. All contents you submit or upload may be reviewed by staff or we reserve the right to remove and modify contents. What? This is forum. This is forum TOS. Fuck you. Why is the... Yeah, okay. Is this even OBS? No. This is not OBS. This is something else. This is OBS. So they don't have anything other than licensing. They don't have TOS. Wait, what? They don't have TOS? Yeah, we are back here again. You know what? We are traversing in circle right now. The aircon is off. I'll turn on the fan now. I'm really pissed off now. We are traversing in circle and we didn't find the fucking package. I mean, I could spend eons to read all the 10 million chats here. No. If you don't provide in the docs, it deemed not existing. Because the doc is where it should be official. The communication channel shouldn't be official. Because communication channel isn't where you're supposed to post something that persists perpetually. If you notice, I am churning out a lot of higher terms in speech because I'm pissed off. Now where do I start? Here's this master, yes. Here's the current, yes, it's 4 days ago. Let's look at plugins. Honestly, I do want to drop OBS after this one, but look at these plugins. How the fuck can I catch up with them before I can drop it? It would take me like 2 years. So I cannot drop it. I can just curse them indefinitely. Yes, I just cursed them. This is why I dropped. This is why I stopped being a developer because other developers don't care about sustainability. All they care about is fun. I mean, fun is good, but all they care about is image right now. Image of themselves. Ego. Where do I even start? Where do I even start? What do you think? I will not make any issue of pull request because this is absurd. If I cannot find the fucking package to work with, I will just curse them. I will not ask them any question until it is I don't know. I cannot even form a sentence right now. Why is it install instruction? Does it assume that we have a development package? Looks like it, but even so, where the hell is the code? And where's the tutorial, by the way? This plugin template? Sure. But as I remember, it's Lua, isn't it? And I don't love yeah. I hate working with templates because templates is fucking template. Template is trying to I don't know this sentence. My English doesn't allow me to form the sentence. Why do I start with a plugin template? If I remember correctly, plugin template is not scripting template. It's something else. I'm so disoriented now. Sure, this state of mind is not good for streaming, but as you can see, the one that is actually disoriented is OBS itself. I will look at what is this PDB program debug database. Sure. Is it success? No, no. I'm reverse engineering now. I don't care about GPL2 or TOS. Let them take me down. If doing it for good gets me down, then what good is doing good? No, it's not that software. No. What's that? I don't have. Hang on. This PC has both Notepad++ and Programmer Notepad. Does it? What the fuck? Why does it? Yep. Why did you do that? I think I will go with the portable one. Do I? Wait, I will leave it there first. Soft Sonic. Hang on, where is the actual? Hang on. I mean, this one is okay, but where's the source code? I know Soft Sonic has. Wait, what? 23 years old. Wait, hang on. GitHub was like. How old is GitHub? Huh? $17 years. So so it just reads from file metadata. I might have to go to Visual Studio Community. File planet. Concerning about dependencies and complexity of the programs. Actually, do I actually have this one in my PC? Wait, what? Yeah, I don't have Notepad++ anywhere else. Okay. By the way, extracting zip archive, Windows 10 and 11 could do that without any external program. So I just use UniExtract to just use it, nothing else. I think this guy can open DLL file, right? I cannot remember actually. So fair enough. Maybe not. Title. Yeah, I don't think I have other choice. I don't think I have other choice. Try OBS. No, actually, can I just drag and drop it? Oh, sure, I can. Page log. The architecture. Well, sure, we are in. Where is the X? Okay, yeah, that. Well, I will just leave it auto because why not? Let's see. Okay. We are going deep right now. I forgot how to like read DLL properly. No, just read the graph. This is initialization. This is main function. Main function just sets up a lot of things, then jump unconditionally to set up more stuff, and then jump not equal. What? Why is it jump not equal? What happened? So it's test edx test edf. So it's rax with hex 10. text 10 the original value of RAX doesn't exist, so it moved this address to this address, right? Hang on. Yeah, this is x86. Its instruction, then target, then value, right? So it moves EDX to this stack. So what the fuck is EDX? EDX is EDX. What the fuck? Argument 2. What is argument 2? We don't know yet. So the second argument it controls the flow here. Either which one is jump? This one is jump, right? Is this likely or unlikely? It's equally likely. So let's see. Oh, if not, it actually exits. Wow. So yeah, so it tests something, and it tests this D word. Let's look at it. Not a graph. We are looking for a string. Yes. Hey. Hang on. This thing is string, isn't it? Okay. Now it shows what is likely. Jump not equal, and it is likely. What the fuck? So it bypassed this function. What is this function? Oh, okay. It looks like this function is first initialization. Query performance filter. Why? Huh. Weird. So it jumps here straight after the first time it opens. Then it just jumps unconditionally. Now it's unlikely to jump. Okay, so it goes here, and it's unlikely to jump. Wait, that's exits. That exits. Yeah, this is exits. Yeah, this is exits. This is clearing memory. Also, I cannot pass likely or unlikely. Maybe. uh let's yeah, I want to read this memory. So in I think it's maybe hex jump. It's not even wait what? It's not huh. What is this memory? Let's show in the compiler is empty. Right? What? Wait, what? What? This is not function. I know it's not function. DBC8 is one DBC8. It it doesn't exist. Oh, it's around here. Hang on. No, it's not around here. It has to be. Somehow it jumps out of. I don't know. Let's see the string. To be honest, it should be around here. Yeah, it should be around here. DBC yeah, DBC 18 is AV exception. Okay, what is it? This is the same thing. Yeah, this, you see, this is exact. This is the exact address, right? Wrong. 1 DBC8 1 DB. We don't have 1 DBC. It's right about here, but it's not there. That's strange. Oh, you guys don't see it because it bugs again. Fun stuff. Okay, so let's go back where we left off. This somehow, yeah, RIP, yeah, I know. It means it's dead, right? I think it's a member of this data, right? Because this data has length of 15 and has size of 16. That means this data spans 15 bytes. Wait. Okay. It spans 16 bytes. How much is it? DBC8. I think they have calculated here, but let's see this one instead. Where is it though? Programmer. Let's go. 1 dB 17. No, we have to use this one because this one is larger than that. One oh shit. 1 dB C8. Yeah, I don't what 1 dB C8. What the fuck? The dust is going crazy. Minus 1 dB 17. Huh. For some reason it's out of bounds. One dB C8. Oh fuck. Hex dump. Yeah. Actually, you can show this in in hex dump. And it's this guy, right? It tracks RIP, which means it dies. I think. Fuck! What happened? What happened? Did it talk too much? Oh, okay. This makes a lot of sense. So I can just read the disassembly on this debug. DBC8. How many times do I have to look at it? Oh, it's wait, what? Can I show it in disassembly? Wait, what? Why is it? Why does it jump here? Oh, okay. Can it show? Hang on. Let's cover. Doesn't exist. So we can go to hex dump. And the address is not quite where we are looking for. Let's go to wait, where's the go to there's no go to address here. Why? It's 17. No, it's 1 dBc8. So it's like a decade ahead. To be honest, I can just use some other two. DB, we are looking for C8 is this guy, right? Is that right? 1 dBca. Yep, it add byte RAX to what is AL is, well, I know it's arithmetic thing, but I cannot remember. Anyway, it just says, see, it's rip, no, it's dice. Wait, jump if greater than EDX. This is a switch case, but right. No, it's optimized by compiler. Anyway, this is where the program actually starts. What is JA? What is JA? Fish module. I shouldn't. Yeah, VS Code. One thing about no, not VS Code. One thing about Visual Studio. Is that because I have to log in. Because I have to log in. So you guys, I just don't want you guys to see my account. So yeah. So I have to make sure that you guys don't see it. Which has still update. Can I not? Why can't I just sign out? Okay, good. Okay, so we are here, but we are not going to do anything about the project. We are going to only have this object browser and then ship. What's wrong with me? Yes, I added this one because I have to work with Unity a lot. But we are not going to do anything about this, so we just remove everything, and for some reason they don't have remove all. So it's in program file OBS Studio bin, program file OBS Studio. No, bin. This is for bit, and the only file I'm interested in is OBS Python. Oh, we're scripting. How foolish. Let's try that again. Nope. Go up. Where is it? OBS. Bin. COVID. We have 1.5 hours, and we are not anywhere near our goal. This is disgusting. Could not be browsed. What? How is it not? Well, because it doesn't have tags, right? Because it doesn't have function name, so it cannot be browsed. Okay, here we go. This file is OBS scripting DLL, and here are the function names we need to know. OBS scripting load Python, scripting load, Python loaded, runtime link, Python version, log callback, unload. Okay, we have load Python here, but what I am looking for is I want to know who referenced this one, who called this address, which is actually should be xref, isn't it? No, I don't rename things. Code C string. It's definitely code C, but why is it 0 result? There has to be someone calling this one. What? Let's look at this assembly. No one calls it? Really? See, if someone were to call it, it will be called, and it goes here, right? But for some reason, no one calls this. Not even in a loop, in condition. That's weird. Does anyone call this? No. I think I just don't know how to use this program. So I just copy this address and then I'll just paste this. No. Shoot. Can I start debug? Yeah, it's not an executable stuff. Can I just find in text in this assembly? Graph is okay, but search, forgot about this. How do you use this? Anyway, I want to find someone who calls this address. But for some reason I cannot find who calls it, even by extract. If I copy the address and I go, yeah, it just jump here. If I why does it? Why no one? Hang on. If I come here and then I go extract, see, load Python actually calls it, but for some reason no one calls Python load Python. No one. I think this one might have extract. Yeah. So this one calls some of these. So no one actually load Python. That is strange. Very strange. This is callback. I think it's callback. No one actually loads the Python. What is this function, by the way? This function looks like it calls. Yeah, this function looks like it calls to the Python executable. Yeah, this is okay. So this is calling what? So yeah, this actually calls to this actually calls to Python executable, but for some reason no one calls this function. So how does this plugin work? Create Mm, see, this has load Lua script. Quick create, and then this is where script script what is it? Scripting is now. VC runtime dot Lua. Yeah, dot py. Here is where we start to load Python. Somehow. Wait. This one. Okay, this one is just make it its own program. Unknown script type. Relog. OBS DLL. Hang on. Let's look at this one instead, because this one is actually more graphically understandable. Now we create this. Which one is unlocked? Script create scripting. Okay, import OBS. Import OBS log. Okay, what is this? VC runtime. What is VC runtime? It's DLL, by the way. Anyway. So if we create it, if we create OBS, it jumps here. No, actually, all block. Huh? Wait, why? Wait. It calls to here, and where does it go next? Hang on. Oops. It calls. Hang on. Okay, so it's this address 12195. 12195 is this one. So it calls here and then it goes right here. 121b5, which is this, and it returns. Oh. This is cancel. Load effective address and cancel. What? Oh, it's load. Okay. Loads this thing which doesn't exist. I mean, it might exist in like other file, but I don't know. Isn't this just go back? Hang on. No. Where the hell is it? Oh, it's string. Okay. Python failed to load plugin, huh? go back. Yeah, okay, it goes back to 3 steps. Item. Oh, hang on. Oh. I think we might have big filter. Yeah, hang on. Switch Python failed. Invalid Python DLL could not load Python. Set Python OBS Python. Okay, so here's how it works. Here's how it works. This OBS Python module doesn't have to be installed, but it has to be written inside OBS, and that is annoying because most of the time that you dev something, you don't dev you don't dev live in the program. You want to debug it first and then port it into production, even though you are scripting it, even though you are writing a Unity game with C#. You want to debug it first. Remind me later. And for some reason, this guy wants me to dev inside this program without providing any editor. I think I have. Where's my Python? Yeah, I have 2 versions of Python. Close. Script. Then, oh, okay. This is also confusing how it works, because it has Python setting here, and as we have shown in this call create script script create, it actually tries to detect if the script. Hang on, let me do this. It tries to create to detect if it's Lua. If it's not Lua, which is unlikely, if you go to Py, then it will try to call the Python executable. And then it will try to interact with Python CLI. Or it's not REPL, by the way, it's just CLI. Yeah, it tries to communicate with Python and translate Python's errors into its errors. That is clever, but I wished that the document mentioned this. My wish might actually be granted in the past. I mean, I'm saying that they might already did it, but uh, it's not here. It's not in this page. So it's easy to miss that part. Maybe in the backend design. See, it has libobs plugin object, source output encoder service. Sure. Graphic threads, audio thread output channel. Sure. General audio video part. Okay. Useless. It's not useless. It's not entirely useless. It's okay to have this like this, but hey, the real thing is we can use OBS Python object module actually to call all these enums and functions and everything else. Only something we have to think about is the difference from C API that we have to be aware about. The number of global functions that scripts can optionally provide. Yeah, see, script description, load, unload, save, default, update, properties, ticks. Yeah. If you gloss over the binary, the disassembly, I have read Python ticks somewhere, right? I think it's right around, I don't know, maybe around I don't see it, but I gloss over it. But here it is where you can control that ticks. Well, why ticks? Because I mean you can read it yourself. It dies again. How? And this time it's big dead. Okay. I mean, wait. It's triggered. Okay, anyway. You can read this if you have a big screen, or you can just go to docs.obsproject.com/scripting just to read script ticks in a seconds. This seconds is number in Python. It's not int, it's not integer, so you can add any arbitrary floating point number and it will work. And as you can see, it mentioned call every frame in case frame processing is needed. If a timer is needed, please use script timers instead, as timers are more efficient. If all that's needed is basic timer functionality, using this function in Python is not recommended due to the global interpreter lock of Python. Sure enough. So that means we shouldn't use Python to jump. Anyway, I haven't finished my my explanation about how all these work. First of all, I have investigated and identified it that OBS Python is yeah, OBS Python is in OBS scripting .dll. So that means I don't have to install it, but I just have to run OBS Python within confine of OBS. So I cannot dev outside OBS Python unless I get a OBS scripting reference or something library, but that's fine. All right, that's fine. If I really want to use this, I can just, if I really want to use this, I can just load it. I can just load this DLL with Python C wrapper. On Rappel, but it won't work, by the way. How do you spell Rappel? How do you spell Rappel in programming? Is a handheld operating system. Huh, I didn't know that. But that's quite good, but I'm not looking for this. I'm looking for a RAPL interface. I didn't. What is it? Rap. How do you spell RAPL? I don't know. It's on interactive interface. On CLI, I guess. Yeah. If I want to, or I could just, I mean, it doesn't work, to be honest. But we know that this is a module that is hidden in OBS scripting.dll. So how do you dev this? Well, you can just write a script file. You write a script file. .py, I guess, underscore for consistency. Then you put this one in OBS Studio client. Then it will pass this file to your Python. Is it Python.exe or something? Yeah, maybe. Then it pass, and Python will also communicate with it. Then this one comes from here. This is a feedback. One problem with this architecture is and it's actually a very professional problem. Like, if you are just a script kiddie, please don't do this. This sentence, this paragraph, especially this sentence. Please treat this API bindings as though you were writing C program, and it's not C++. It's not memory safe. It's pure C program. So go back to your Introduction to Programming 101, and instead of learning Java, you ask your professor, please teach me C language. Please tell me about pointers. And also, the last and not least, please, what the hell is f-drive? By the way, please also ask your professor what is vector. What is vector library, because you need it, and he or she will reply, have you forgot all your data structure lesson? Well, sure, you obviously forget it. At least if you don't forget it, try to challenge yourself. Write your own linked list. If you could write your own linked list, no matter how many days you will take, but if you can write it, you are fine. But this linked list, I will have to say this: you don't. This challenge has one rule. This challenge has one rule. You only have to ask to consult language reference. You cannot consult any forums. You cannot consult AI. You cannot consult your friends. You cannot consult with your professor or with teacher assistants or anything else that eliminates your critical thinking. You have to just read the docs and try to replicate how linked lists work. If you can do that, you are fine with C. Can I do that? It might take me around 3 days because of my laziness, but I can do that. I can write a linked list. Well, actually, I can write a linked list in Notepad. Here we go. By the way, a linked list in C. First of all, we don't have class. So we have struct. Linked list, or I will say list. So what is linked list? Linked list is any value. So we have to prototype a template T. Here, linked list, a list of any type, and we have a value of something, which I will initialize it to null. I don't think this is correct, but well, this is concept. Now next is you have to be integer, and it is an address. Next equals to, well, it has to be null at first. By the way, actually the value could be this one too. So yeah, that is basically how linked list is. And how do you use linked list? You have function. We have template T, so we use that again. Template T, and we have integer. No, not integer. We have T function of next in list. Next list next, and this returns the value of that list of the list. So this return this returns the next value of list. Did I forgot one thing? I think I forgot one thing. I forgot how well, what this does. Okay, so list next, it will return the value of the next item on the list. So we will just no, it will return address of the next value. So we return in no, we return list. We don't return the hang on, we return hang on, do we return this? No, this is the reference. We have to return the actual reference. how do I access actual reference? Yes, this is one way to do that, to do it, but to be honest, it could return something like this instead. And then in list dot get list key list return, no, it's not, well, return, well, list, because now we want the value, we will just return value, and that is all, right? Because then we can just create a list of a string to be equal to list of a string SL, I guess, S list. Then we can just say S list value equals to whatever I forgot one thing. I forgot list.add. Yeah. So template again. Template T. Hang on. Doesn't like template T works with many things? T list add list T list so we return, so first of all we want to return the new list address, but what is list address? First of all, we have to parse while list next list.next is not 0x because we actually initialize it to x to 0. Then we can just have list list next list a equals to we need to like list no actually int current address equals to this dot next, and then we change this one to current, then current equals to listed next. This is one-way list, by the way. So we successfully traversed the entire list to the last one, to the last member. Now we have to create a new list. Wait, do we have malloc here? Yes, we have to malloc. Well, I have never used malloc before, but that's the idea. So malloc whatever this is, list the whatever list, size of list, and no, actually yeah, size of list. I think it requires two things, but I forgot what they are. But this is concept. Then yeah, I think malloc is not void, it returns address, so it's in address, and then oh right, I forgot this one, key value, and then we add value here. I think this one has to be address of value. Or maybe it switch places, but you can look it up later. And then hang on, if it's address of value, that means I actually have to dereferences. Then in address malloc, then we actually create. Wait, how do you return list? Wait, hang on. Yeah. We have to return type of list, return the address, value. Oh, okay. Hang on. Does C has new? No, it doesn't have. It doesn't have new structure. It doesn't have new object. New structure. So this is not address, then this has to be like list of key, new, and then new dot value. Well, something like that. I forgot. Not sure. New equals to because we don't have a custom constructor, we need to set this to value first. And then new address new.next. No, new.next doesn't exist, right? So we have to say list next equals to malloc. And it is address of new. Yeah, that's what you do. And then if you want to get a new member, you just list add let's add list here you go. That's how you write a linked list. This is how you write a linked list in C. I think I got malloc wrong, but you got the idea, I think. Oh, it's in Sunday Lab. I don't even want to I don't even compile it for you because this one it acts more like a pseudocode. Oh, I didn't print it out, but you got the idea, I guess. I mean, this one doesn't have to be a pointer, right? Yeah, it doesn't have to be a pointer. Next can be the actual value itself. Value also can be the actual value itself. It doesn't have to be a pointer, but considering that it could be a string, I mean, a string is like character arrays, right? String is character array, right? So, yeah. Wait, if it's character array, you actually have to do this. No, you have to do this. By the way, yeah. This doesn't have to be a pointer. Yeah, sure. Good enough. And this just have to be dot. Yeah, you traverse to the last point. And your new value just like that. List the next is just like that. Oh, this is unfortunate. Because we need to set her to the next one, and the next one after that. But this doesn't change. So what could we do? List that next. List that next. Yeah. We have to dereference. Yeah, we have to dereference her. This might not work because oh, okay. Yes, int pointer, and this would return int pointer, and we dereference int pointer. That means it's double pointer. Yeah. I forgot how to use pointers, but yeah, I can read it up for a refresher. But anyway, that's a very hard tangent. Okay, so we have to call this one usually. Yeah, script parts. Sure enough. Now script timer. Script point. So if we are going to use Python, it's not recommended for script picks. That means we should be setting the timer on its own timer. But look, we can set script picks. Is this callback, by the way? Oh, it's a callback anyway. So we can call for script tick for the first tick, and then no, we don't have to call for the first tick. We just have to call onload, and that is the first tick. And then we add a timer with with one frame to detect voice activity. Script source. Special to register source in Lua. Do so creative. Hang on a sec. I cannot register Lua source in Python. Hang on. But for that, you already have this source info. Hang on. Okay, you have this info table and get name, create, then you call OBS register source. What about Python? That's strange. That's very strange. Let's look at OBS core, I guess. Not core, then modules. Utility. Where is it? Source API reference OBS source template. OBS source.h content API functions structure media IO graph. Hang on. I mean, I think I can register a source. It just OBS startup shutdown drive, OBS get version. Reset audio, OBS reset audio. Wait, what? Why do you have to reset audio? Okay. Oh, by the way, C doesn't have polymorphism. That means you will have function names that look like these two, which actually do this actually work on the same parts, but has different functionality. And why are we reading C API? Because OBS Python calls C APIs. Why is it so buggy? Because it heats up. Yeah, I think it heats up. Lib OBS object, no, we are not concerning for that. Signal procedure and handler. Signal is event. It's the same thing. Anyway, display, view, module. Wait, module. module export, module load unload, module extern, uh-huh. Front end module function, open module. What is it? Open plugin module. Oh, okay. Init plugin module. Platform YouTube or API object. We are not concerning for the object right now. Utility. We want to see this register source somewhere. Source profiler. We don't need that. We don't need any profiler because it's an old well, it's a video source. No, it's a media source. This solution, may I remind you, it's just a static PNG. See, it just have to replace cookie. That means it's a PNG source, and it takes it monitors audio. Wait, I have to write that down. Okay, let's get back to the drawing board. Well, I think our time is up in 15 minutes, so let's wrap this up real quick. Oh. What? Why is it not? Why is it not allowed? Why it doesn't allow me to like? Wait. Brush is B. No, but alternate B will go to brush. Good to know. Fuck. However, it returns to 7 pixels, which I want 5 pixels. Why 5 pixels is bigger than that? Oh, I use pencil. Sorry. Okay. This is how scripting works. How to dev OBS script, a Python script. Now the jumping head has this following function. We need PNG. Oh, well, unfortunate. PNG. We need a PNG, and it has to react with the sound. So we have mic, audio input source, by the way, and we logic XOR it, right? No, not XOR. We AND it. But before we can AND these two, the mic has to go on a DSP to find the peak. Not peak actually. Activity. So I will say it's normally denoted as the variable a in the equation. It's activity, by the way. Activity. Then we control the brightness, the PNG brightness. In color channel. So activity and it controls brightness. By this logic, I will put this: if if activity, which is A, activity denoted as A, if A is greater than threshold, if A is greater than threshold, no, actually, let's okay, this is denoted as A. So brightness go on like this. Dim when let me do it properly. Brightness B, dim when activity is less than threshold, and on, I guess, when activity is greater or equal to threshold. Don't forget that we have to smooth and fuzzy it a little bit, but it's like this condition, and then it output to the OBS viewport. Or I think it's called a projection. And because we are out of time here, I will continue it with part 3. Part 3 would be on, I think, yeah, let's do it on Monday, right? It's Monday, right? The fuck is that? Yeah, let's do it on Monday. Maybe Monday on. I will try to come. I'll try to come here in uh yeah, I'll try to come here on 7 p.m. Sure enough. This is not a promise. This is not a promise, but it's my plan to finish this project. So let's wrap this up. So for today, we already we outdone it ourselves. We outdid ourselves by trying to set up the lab. Planning and studying. We have researched. Yeah, we let's just create another page. Oh, good. Okay, good. Well, what do we have to, what did we get today? Read summary here. Summary for today's lab. We only have one topic. Which is try to replace cookie with OBS plugin. No, actually replace cookie. And we have researched. No, we have identified possibility and limitation. And we got the conclusion. 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 Create new OBS Python plugin. We have confirmed the hypothesis. So hypothesis OBS Python module what the first hypothesis? The first hypothesis is it's not on PyPL. Isn't on it's PyPL or PyPL. It's PyPL, I guess. Hypothesis 2, OBS Python module isn't on community channel. Well, need channel. And hypothesis 3. Hypothesis 3 is confirmed that OBS Python module exists in the executable itself. So OBS Python module exists in OBS scripting .dll. Confirm parenthesis confirm by reverse engineering. Well, how can I just by engineering reverse engineering. Okay. Then we make a solution. So one. So one. The solution is this last part. We make a solution. Solution is audio DSP detects activity and then controls image source brightness. Image source brightness. And we have a bonus here. Well, to be honest, there's a lot of bonus knowledge here, but the only bonus I can talk to you here is the basic linked list. In C, which not totally correct, not fully correct, but you got the idea. You got the idea that I actually aware of what is in C. I just cannot remember how to dereference things or how to lock memory in C, because to be honest, introduction to programming or data structure 101, I mean data structure is 201 for me. Uh, they are they don't teach me how to use malloc. They taught me how to use C++ and just use dynamic dynamic stuffs. I never touched malloc, but I think I will try to touch malloc. However, I forgot one thing. Plus, another bonus, you might not you might not know this bonus. But I have shown you how to reverse engineer and how to read some function graph. So yeah, reverse engineer. Yep. Reverse engineering. Honestly, if I don't reverse engineer, I will never known about OBS scripting.dll. Oh, okay. Another bonus. Bonus 3. We learn how GPL 2.0 works. Well, a little bit. Not really. Yeah, that wraps everything up. And I have a spare time, right? Because I was 20 minutes late. But you know the drill. We are not going to say a goodbye. I mean, sure, we are going to say goodbye. So, because it's on another session. Like, you remember this? The first R&D part, I can say see you later because it's just 1 hour. It's in the span of one session, one intermission session. But if I'm going to go to sleep and see you again now, see you again on Monday, no, I cannot say see you later. So goodbye for now. Not for now, just I'm kidding. Bye.